Hello. Hello, hello. Good evening. Yundong, Yundong. Hello. Oh. Hello, Dan, and hello. Where is Yundong?
Uh, when drink water.
Oh, okay, okay, sure. So take your time. Wow. Hello. Good evening. Good evening, Yundong. Good evening, and welcome again to our class for today. How are you? How are you, Yundong? Are you happy today?
I'm good. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Wow, very good. I'm good. I'm fine. So good job. Did you already eat your dinner, Yundong? Lesson. Wow. You know how to write. Wow, very good. Okay. Did you already eat your dinner, Yundong? Yes or no?
No, I don't.
No, I don't. What time do you eat dinner? What time? Yundong. Okay. Okay. So, Yundong. So we will just continue
I
our what? 7 o'clock?
am. I am.
Huh? Okay. So hello, hello again, and let's start our lesson for today. So we are still in our lesson one, which is all about art supply. So let's say Yundong, art supplies. Art Yundong, can you hear me? Hello? Oh, okay, very good. Okay, so nice. So art supplies. So now before we continue our lesson, Yundong, so I will check if you still remember what we had learned last time, or what are the art supplies that we had learned last time. So let's start with this first art supply, Yundong. What is this?
What is
What is this?
um,
This
um,
is,
um,
okay, one more time. Let's say paint. Pa,
pen,
paint. Paint. One more time. Paint, paint, paint.
pen,
Okay, paint. Pa, pa, paint.
pen,
Okay, very good. Again, Yundong, what is this? This is paint.
pen,
Okay, let's try to say it in a complete sentence. Let's say this is
it is
this. Very good. Nice. So this is paint. So next, let's move
this
on
one.
to let's move on to our second art supply. Do you still remember what is this, Yundong? You still remember? What is this? This
Paper.
is, wow, very good. Good job. This is paper. So now let's try to say it in complete sentence. Let's say, this is paper. This,
Paper.
this is
This is This is
paper.
pen.
Okay, very, very good. So nice. So next, how about this one, Yundong? Do you still remember what is this art supply? We use it to write in a chalkboard or a blackboard. We call it as chalk, 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 chalk. Okay, again, let's say Yundong. This is chalk. This. Okay, very good. Chalk. So this is chalk. So next. How about this one? Do you still remember? What is this? This is yarn. Let's say this is yarn.
This is yeah.
Okay, let's say this is yarn. Yarn, yarn, yarn.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
okay, very good. So let's just try to say it in a whole sentence or in a complete sentence. So say, this is yarn.
Yeah.
This,
This is yeah. Yeah.
okay, very good. Good job. So next, how about this one? Okay, what art supply is this? Starts with letter G. This is,
Blue. Blue.
okay, very good. So let's try to say it in complete sentence. Let's say, this is glue.
Apa? This
This,
blue.
okay, one more time. This is glue. Okay, very good. So good job. So next, how about this one? What is this? This is, let's say this,
This
tape. Okay, one more time. Let's
this
see. Tape. T, t, tape. T, t, tape. Okay, let's see. This is tape.
apa?
Okay, very good. So this is tape. Okay. So now let's try to again review all of those art supplies. So let's take a look at this art supply, Yundong. So with the circle, what what's this? What's this? This is, look at the picture. Mhm. Oh, very good. Good job. Let's say, this is glue.
This it's blue.
Okay, very good. Good job. So next, let's take a look at our next art supply. This one. What is or what's this? Yundong. This. Okay,
This
very
is pink. This is paper.
Okay, very good. This is paper. How about this? This is yarn.
This, yeah.
Okay, very good. One more time. Let's see. This is yarn.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, so very good. So this is yarn. How about this one? What's this? So what is the girl holding? What's this? This is chalk. Okay, one more time. This is chalk. Okay, perfect. So next, let's take a look at this one. What's this, Yundong? What's this? This is paint. This is paint. Uh, okay, one more time. What's this, Yundong? This.
Is pen.
Okay, very good. Paint. Let's say paint, paint, paint. Not paint. So let's try this. Okay, very good.
Pen.
Paint. So let's try it to say it with the long A sound. Paint, paint, not paint. Paint, paint, paint. Okay,
Pen.
very good. Very good. That's nice. Paint. So this, so let's try to say it again. This is paint.
Is a pen.
Okay, very good. So paint, not pen. Okay, practice that one. Okay. So this one. How about this one, Yundong? What is this? This is tape. This is
Tape.
tape.
Is it pen.
Okay, one more time. Let's say tape. Tape, tape, tape. Okay, let's say
Is
tape.
pen. This is pen.
Okay, very good. So let's say tape. Let's try to say it 3 times. Tape, 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 tape. Okay. Okay, so okay, very good, very good. So good job, Yundong. So that is our art supplies that we have at school. So that is how we say it. So if your teacher asks you, what is this? So instead of saying their names only, we say this is tape, like this one. So we already talked about this before, but let's review this one. Okay, so let's listen to the sound that we have here.
Page 13.
Can you
C.
can,
Listen and say. Then practice.
This is paint.
1.
Pen.
This is paint.
okay, so let's have this sentence pattern that we have. So let's say, Yundong, this is paint. This,
This is pen.
okay, very good. So again, what's this, Yundong, in the picture? What art supply is this? This is
Pen.
Paint. Very good. So this is how we say, or this is how we start for us to name an object. So for example, this one. So teacher have here, so I have here a pencil. So for us to told or for us to tell the name of this to other people, so we say this is pencil. Let's say this. Okay, very good. So this one. So I have here another. So this is marker. This is marker.
Marker.
Okay, very good. So this is how we start, or this is how we name an object. We use this is, and what is the object that we are holding, we will say the name. Okay, so this is marker, this is pencil. So now, let's try to practice this sentence pattern that we have. So let's go with our next activity. So we have here an activity. Okay, so let's take a look at number 1.
2,
Is paint.
Number 1.
This is paint.
2,
This is paper.
3,
This is chalk.
Chalk.
4,
This is yarn.
5,
This is glue.
6,
This is tape.
Okay, so now let's try to answer ourselves all about this art supply. So we will use this is and what is the name of the art supply. So let's start first with this one, Yundong. So what is the name of this art supply? What is this? Is paint. Very good. So this is paint. How about number 2? This is paper. Very okay. Wow, very good. Good job. So next, number 3. How about this? What is this? This. Okay, wow, good job. How about number 4? What is this? Okay, very good. This is yarn. So next, how about number 5? What is this? This. Okay, very good. This is glue. And our last art supply, what is this? This is. Okay, very good. This is tape. Okay, so now let's check if all of your answers are correct. And let's read it after that. Okay, so let's take a look at our first art supply. What is this, Yundong? This. Again, look at the picture, number 1. This is. What's this? Okay, very good. This is paint. How about number 2?
This is table.
Very good. Nice. How about number 3? Okay, wow. Good job. Next. Number 4? Yarn. Very good. This is yarn. And number 5?
This is blue.
Okay, very good. This is glue. And the last one will be this.
This is tape.
Okay, very good. So that is how we use or how we name the objects that we can see. Okay, so we use this is, and after that we will say the name. Okay, so next, let's have this question and sentence pattern. So like what teacher is asking earlier, so I ask, what's this? So let's read this one. Let's read the question. What's this? Let's see. Okay, very good. So let's take a look at the word what's. So when we say what's, so it is short for what is. So we can say what is this, or we can just say what's this, because it is the shorter version of what is. So we use this question, Yundong, when we ask about only one object, only one. So for example, so let's take a look at this one. What's this? This, this paint. Okay, one more time. Let's see. What's this? This is okay, very. This is paint. Okay, so Yundong, so this is how we answer the question, what's this? So we start it by saying this is, and
nghe con học đi, còn không thì con ngưng đi luôn đi, nhờ cô dạy cho hai bực mình quá
okay, so that is how Okay, so that is how we answer the question. So we answer it by this is and what is the name of the object being asked. For example, I have here an object, Yundong. So what's this? We will answer by this is, what's this? This is, very good. Pencil, very good. So let's say this is, okay, nice. What's this? This is, okay, very good. So that is how we answer the question, what's this? So this is, and what is the name of the object that is being asked? Okay, so now let's have some examples here, Yundong. Let's start with this one. Okay, so let's start with number 4. So what's this?
This is paper.
Very good. Good job. This is paper. Let's take a look at number 2. What's this?
Yeah.
Very good. This is yarn. One more time. What's this?
It's yeah.
Okay, good job. So next, let's look at number 6. What's this?
This is chalk.
Okay, very good. So this is chalk. How about number 1? Let's take a look at number 1. What's this? Okay, very good. This is paint. How about number 3? What's this? This is, what's this? This is tape. Very good. One more time. Let's say tape. This tape. Okay, very good. So next, number 5. How about the last number or number 5? What's this? This is
This is blue.
okay, very good. So this is glue. So good job. So now let's check your answers and let's read all of the things that we have. So let's read the number 1. So let's read this is paint. This is paint. Very good. Number 2. Let's say this is yarn. This. Okay, number 3. This is tape.
This
Is tape. Okay, number 4. Let's say this is paper.
is
Okay, number 5. This is glue.
blue.
Glue. Good. And last one, let's say this is chalk. This. Okay, very good. So good job. Good job, Yundong. So that is how we answer the question. So now let's have another activity for you to be able to practice how we answer what's this. So let's take a look at the picture, Yundong. Very good. Wow. So fast. This is paint. Good job. So next, number 2. What's this?
Blue.
Okay, very good. This is glue. Number 3. What's this?
This is paper. This is paper.
Okay, very good. This is paper. Number 4. This.
This is
Okay, very good. This is chalk. And next, number 5. Okay, let's move on to number 5.
This is tape. This is tape.
Okay, very good. This is tape. So next, what's this?
Is yarn. This is yarn.
Okay, very good. This is yarn. And next, number. Oh, okay, so that is our last number. So now, okay. I think let's again practice again the art supplies that we have. Okay, let's take a look again at this one. What's this, Yundong? This blue and yellow thing. What's this? This is okay, perfect. This is chalk. How about this one? What's this? This is what's this? This is okay, very good. So this is paper. How about this one? What's this?
This is yarn. This is yarn.
Very good. This is yarn. And how about this? What is this?
This is tape.
Paint. Okay, one more time. This is paint. Paint. Okay, very good. And the last one will be this is what's this?
Tape. This is
Okay, very good. So Yundong, so I think we will end our lesson here. I think we already finished our lesson number 1. So for the next or in our next class, which is on next Sunday, so we will have a newer lesson. So very good. So thank you very much for your time today, Yundong. So I think the only feedback that I can give to you is to practice saying the words paints and tape. Okay, because for paint you say it like pens, and for tape you say it like tap or tip. So practice words with long A sound. So make it long A. Okay, so paint, tape. Okay. So good job. Very good for this lesson, Yundong. And I'll see you again soon. So thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye. See you again. Bye bye bye, Yundong. Goodbye. Thank you. Bye 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 bye.